Now, if we're asked to find the maximal or the implied domain of a function, what we want to do is make sure that the denominator doesn't equal 0, because we know whether to divide by 0 and we can't do that, or the square root. If we're dealing with the square root, then that can't become less than 0, because we can't take the square root of a negative number. So what we do, we want to look at the denominator first. That's what we'll do here. So we've got x squared minus 9. So we want to make sure that won't equal 0. So we say x squared minus 9 equals 0. We try to find the values at which that'll equal 0. So we have x squared will then equal 9. So that implies that x equals plus or minus 3. So the domain of this function is all real numbers except for negative 3 and 3. So that's a notation that that we use for that. Or we could say plus or minus 3. Over here, like I said, we want to make sure that the square root does not become negative. So we set this equal to 0. So we say x cubed minus 8 equals 0. And we'll have x cubed then equals 8. So I'm going to find the cube root of 8. X equals 2. So as soon as x is less than 2, or basically x needs to be greater than or equal to 2. That's way, because as soon as it's becomes anything less than 2, so say if it's 1, then we will have a case of 1 minus 8, which gives us negative 7. We can't let the square root of a negative number. So the domain here will be from 2 to infinity. And because if we were to make it 2, we'd end up with 0, that's okay. So we have from 2, including 2, out to infinity.